Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Charge the Bose if its battery is low, then press the power button until you hear the startup tone. Once the speaker is on, you'll see a Bluetooth or pairing light. Hold if needed. On your phone, open Settings and go to Bluetooth. Keep the page visible so you can watch devices appear. This first step matters because an active pairing mode lets your phone discover the speaker. Without it, the two devices cannot see one another. Now make the speaker discoverable. Press and hold the Bluetooth button for a few seconds until the indicator flashes or a voice says, "Ready to pair." On your phone, tap Scan or Refresh. The Bose model should appear. Select that exact name, don't pick a similar device. If the phone asks for a PIN, enter 0000 or confirm the prompt. Once you tap Pair, wait. The devices exchange keys so audio will be secure and stable. If you hear a confirmation tone, finish by playing a test track. Make sure the phone's audio output goes to the Bose and the Bluetooth icon shows connected. If nothing plays, toggle Bluetooth off then on, or restart the speaker and repeat the pairing process. This clears transient errors. If you still can't pair, remove or forget old Bose entries on your phone and reset the speaker's Bluetooth list per its manual, then retry. One quick tip. Move away from other active Bluetooth devices to reduce interference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.